everybody, welcome to this Right House journey. Today we're doing some seed starting for the garden we're going to be building here very shortly. And I just thought I'd share that with y'all. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and have a blessed day. And we got our seeds started over there. Tomato, sweet cherry, yellow pear, classic beef, Kellogg's breakfast, and then we got sweet bell pepper, blot pepper, mini bell mixed pepper. Then over here we've got some jalapeno pepper, orange spice, thyme, magic carpet, echinacea, warm summer, and lavender, Provence blue. And then I'll just thumb through the packs real quick, y'all can see them. There's the mini bells, there's the blot peppers, there's the sweet banana sweet peppers, there's the classic beefsteak, there's the Kellogg breakfast, yellow pear, sweetheart cherry. I can't pronounce that one and ain't shy to say it. Lavender, Provence blue, echinacea, warm summer, and magic carpet, thyme. And the one we got to soak the seeds on is Campaninia, and we'll have them done tomorrow. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.